See here, this is my website. I'm discussing about that Google Webmaster setup. So what is the purpose of indexing for Google Webmaster? So if you are creating for new website, the website for indexing on Google search engine call for the Google search engine for purpose of keyword promotion purpose. If anyone searching through keyword, our website showing for Google first position. Now here, suppose if you go to the private browser, in this go to Google, if I'm searching for digital marketing training in Madhapur. When searching in this one, they can show a number of websites. Suppose website will be not indexed. Keyword will be indexed. They can't index. Why? Because first of all, index for your website. Now after indexing your website, you can show your a number of website here. In this form, you select website is called Rakesh Tech Solutions. Select here. Done here. Now before that, select this URL. This URL is can't index. The keyword will be indexed. They can't index your keyword. How to check is the index process. Check for here. Go to google.com. Go to search in Google. Click for index. That will be index on here. This index will be done by who? Google Webmaster. So the reason is this is my new website. I'm indexing for in this website for Google Webmaster. The first of all, you can set up your Webmaster tool. Copy this URL. Go to Google Webmaster. Google Webmaster will be logging with three ways. Google.com/webmaster, webmaster, webmaster/tools. After click the add property, copy your website URL. In this we have two options, website and Android app. We can index on your Android app also. First we can index for website, click for add. After that, they display for two options, recommended method and alternative method. If you go to the free bloggers, select for the alternate method. If you go to premium website, go to recommended method, download for HTML verification file. Download for this HTML verification file. They download on your in this option here. See, it's done. Next one. This website is belongs to for one cPanel access. If upload any files, change your content, everything. In this one, go to cPanel. cPanel you can log in for mydomain.com/cPanel. In this one, log in your Gmail and username and password. Click for login. After login, they showing for a number of options. The option will select for the file manager. The file manager, you can select option call is public_HTML. The public_HTML, go to upload. Select your file on your download folder. Download. In this select for file will be here. This is the file. Select the file. File upload. After file upload, go to Google Webmaster. Select your captcha code. In this select option will be here. Verify. Click for verify. Suppose it is not verified, your website homepage will be no content. Is it clear? Google Webmaster will be not active. That is called your website will be no content on your homepage. Homepage is must and should content will be mandatory. So homepage will content will be there. This will be index. Search here. I can check the file. Go to site. Click for refresh. Okay, it is going to refresh here. After that, we can index on your website on your search engine purpose. We will go crawl, fetches, Google. In this, you can index it for home page. Click for fetch. In this one, request index. I'm not a robot. In this one, searching for buses. 1, 2, 3. Verify. Down this here. Click here. After fetch is just go to your website URL. Just go to Google search. Paste it. Next. Next is done. This is called set up your Google Webmaster index on your website using Google Webmaster fetch as Google.